Yo, Jeff, what's up, brother? It's good reconnecting with you, man. Glad to see you're doing well and business is good. So, yeah, a little bit about what I do. My regular job, restaurant manager at Golden Corral over here in the City of Industry, but we've been shut down since March. Um, I actually joined this program right here, what you see on the screen. It's called Job Killing. And I joined this about 3 years ago. Didn't do much with it the first 2 years, but at the end of last year and the beginning of this year, I started really digging in and trying to build digital assets. Um, is what they teach us how to do. Um, they teach us how to build websites, do lead generation, paid ads, copywriting, um, based stuff like that. Um, Basically, generating leads for business owners, local business owners. This program is pretty thorough. They got all kinds of tools and trainings, um, and anything you could ask for. And the guy who runs it, his name's Dan. He's there every Tuesday and Thursday, like clockwork, doing Facebook Live trainings. So it's pretty cool. But I've learned how to do some pretty cool stuff. Um, like these are a few of the sites that I have that are generating leads for a couple guys that I have right now. Like for instance, I'll just use my first one as an example, Handyman Chino. That's the first website I ever built, and it generates leads to this day for one of my guys. And this one right here, Handyman Riverside, I rank this site, and it's generating leads. So basically, I get this. It's my site. I own it. I just get the phone ringing, find a business owner, and I get paid. They pay me. We work out a deal. Sometimes percentage, sometimes per lead, sometimes per percentage, sometimes a flat fee, whatever it is we decide to work out. But say for instance, it's for Handyman Riverside, right? So um, I'll show you the site real quick. Let's go back. Actually, we'll Google it. How about that? Just say Handyman Riverside. So here I am, right here, number one um, in the map pack, and right here, number 4 organically. So we're doing pretty good. Here's the website. It's nothing special. Just plain generic site with stock picks. But they teach us how to rank them, and also get the leads coming in. But this is the call tracking. So this is my guy Peter. He's been taking the calls. Um, so this month I haven't even counted how many calls yet. I usually wait till the end of the month, then we tally him up. I'm on a pay per lead with him. But you can see this one came in on the 24th, a couple days ago. We can listen to the calls. I record them. We track them. Here we go. Let's see what
So
this.
I'm just right in the corner. It's a small.
Hello, this is Peter.
Is this handyman services?
Yes, it is. What can I do for you?
Uh, I have a small leak in the bathroom. I don't know if you would be able to come and check it out and
A
see.
small leak where?
Just outside the bathroom shower upstairs.
Like on the
Because
floor?
I see the wood on the floor. I see the wood.
So yeah, kind of like that. There's another one. Came the day before.
Hello, this is Peter.
Hi, my name is Jackie. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good. I was looking for somebody to do some minor electrical work. I didn't know if you did that.
Yeah, so I got a few sites, 2 carpet cleaning sites and a couple handyman sites that are generating leads through phone call and also email submission forms that they submit on the website. Like you can see some here. These are the email entry from that entry form. So they'll submit free instant quote right here, and they'll put their info, and all their stuff comes right here. They send it, and we can read them. I need support anchor for a section of my raised flooring space. Just moved, blah, blah, blah. There's another one. Need help with curtain on wall. You know, just all kinds of random stuff people need that I track them and generate leads for these guys. But lately, since I haven't been working, I've just been doing websites. So I'm building this one for this lady right now, her little preschool that she runs out of her house. I just started working on this yesterday, but it's not even close to done. It's just kind of like a rough draft. She hasn't given me, she wants all her pictures from her preschool. She doesn't want any stock photos. That's her right there, Jessica. I just put some shitty pictures in there just to fill in the gaps so we can put the content in. But working on that one with her and building another site. Oh, I built this lady's site. Just finished it last Friday. She's in marketing for construction equipment, HK Sales. She's over there in Irvine. But she didn't want much. She just wanted a basic little tiny 3-page website. She wanted her customers that she markets for. It's called a her line card. She wanted that on here. So with the description and with the company she works with, she wanted these clickable links to their website. So we made those clickable. So that goes right to Bomag. Click on Bomag, goes to Bomag. Click on Kratos, goes to Kratos. So on and so forth. And she just wanted a little simple contact page, and that was an easy one. But yeah, basically that's what I do. And I sell supplements, vitamins and supplements for First Form too. But that's kind of whatever. But yeah, basically that's it, man. Yeah, hit me back, brother. Maybe we can collaborate. Yeah, tell me a little bit about what you do. Is it like logistics or or what are you doing? Yeah, send me something back. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.